Alright, are you ready?
As a Shipt Shopper, the ability to get in and out of the store quickly creates better opportunities for you to make more money. Arriving early in the chosen delivery time makes customers happy. That will result in a better tip for you. The less time it takes you, the more orders you can do. When it comes to time management, the deli is the worst department in the store. You never know if you'll be waiting behind someone who doesn't know what they want. In this video, you will learn how to make this line disappear.
As a school bus driver, I had a lot of downtime. I started working for Shipt to make a little extra cash. As time passed, a little turned into a lot. Eventually, I was making better money during my lunch break. Through educating myself and trial and error, I've learned some easy-to-follow techniques that increase the amount of money that went into my pocket. In this channel, I'd like to share these strategies with you so we can all make more money working for Shipt. When you accept an offer, one of the first things you do, before you even go to the store, is open up your Shipt shopping list. Check out the deli items. You'll see here that I have 3 different items that I'm going to need to get from the deli counter. Most of your major grocery stores offer an online or web-based easy ordering process to get these items directly from the deli. Here's what you do. Open up your Shipt app. Look up the deli items you need to order. Boar's head slice, maple honey coat, cured turkey breast, ½ pound. Open up the app or web page that you'll be shopping at. Find the items that the customer has requested. Boar's head maple glazed honey turkey breast. Click on it. If you need to, you can easily switch back and forth between apps to get the order right. Scroll down. Put in the desired thickness and the amount that the customer requested. Click Add to Order and move on to your next item. Follow the same process I just showed you. Here's an important step. Go into your Shipt Shoppers app and check out the items. Sometimes the customer might leave a small note detailing exactly what they're looking for. This can be helpful when you're choosing how thick you want your deli item meats sliced. I have found that most major grocery stores offer an app or a web page where you can easily order food from the deli. If yours doesn't, I suggest calling in the order ahead of time. This is important. You have to confirm the store that you're picking up at. There are 3 public stores in the area that I work in. So it's good to confirm before you send the order in that you're picking up at the store that you're shopping at. And that's pretty much it. You'll get a confirmation email as to what time and what store you need to pick up at. You can actually do this way ahead of time. Just make sure you set the time for when you need to pick up your order. Now when you get to the store, avoid that line completely. Pick up your order, confirm it on your app, and head right to the checkout lane. With YouTube, things often change. I try to make these videos so you can quickly and easily get the information you need and get on with your day. So if you find that any of this information is wrong or out of date, please comment down below. In my next video, I'm going to show you a simple way that I keep track of which customers tip the most and how I avoid not getting tipped at all. Oh, and one more thing. You can order subs this way also. Thanks for watching.